Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. Today I am making green tea frappuccino Starbucks inspired copycat recipe. It is super easy. Save some cash this summer and make it at home. Let's get started. 2 cup ice. 2 tablespoons matcha green tea powder. I use Carrington Farms culinary matcha powder that I got from Walmart. 3 tablespoons sugar. 2-3 pumps of vanilla syrup. 1 cup whole milk. Blend everything for 30-40 seconds or until smooth. Pour into your favorite cup. I use my favorite Starbucks cup. Swirl the whipped cream on top. Also you can dusting matcha green tea powder on top to look more nice. Enjoy!